always optimistic. Yeah, look, I always say, do I foresee an Ireland where Irish is the predominantly spoken language? No. The damage is done. I don't think it can be salvaged back to its former glory. Pessimistic view, but I think also realistic. So I think for the majority of the population, if we can get to a point where Irish plays a role in just social life, I think the GAA should be a fully Irish language operational organisation. That youngsters are going, they're doing their training, they're being trained by trainers who speak Irish, they're speaking Irish through matches. I think that's a great point of contact. Also, any branches of cultus for traditional Irish music, I think they should be fully operational through Irish, the likes of score, community games, and FLA, everything should be done in Irish. Your adjudicator should be calling you up in Irish, because I think there are points of contact. GAA, music, tradition, dance, song, culture.